I was just shooting from right here. Out past that stump is where I got it. I was using that little tripod actually, right there, sitting in the chair. It's awesomeness. The gun is excelente. Excelente. Hello everybody. Well, this is the Seneca Eagle Claw in 25 cal. That's its first kill. And that was at, you see where that pallet is? That is where I was just shooting from. There's a chair behind that, and there, you see that bag right there? Second shot. First shot went over and hit up there. 3 mil dots. Second shot. Only had that gun less than 24 hours. Popped him. Awesome. When you get a gun right out of the box and it shoots good, it's awesome. And what was really awesome is that the dogs were sitting up there with me, watching me shoot, and they seen me hit it, heard the pop out here, ran out here. Whiskey waited for me to say, go get it, and he ran all the way from over there and came in. He didn't grab it, but he watched it in while it was doing the flopping kicking thing that they do. It was awesome. Seneca Eagle Claw. And that Discovery scope is awesome too. There's Hank. Have a good one, everybody.